Okay, we're gonna do the evening one here in Kashgar. So they're making fresh bread right there. It looks amazing. Lots of tourists here. There's even a bar up there where they had music last night. I'm gonna definitely see if that's going again today. But we're gonna walk around and kind of show you little slices of Kashgar in Xinjiang province in far deep western China. Look at that bread. Kashgar, China, way out in western China, as you can see, and we're right near the old city. So we're gonna be filming right in this area. And without further ado, you know where we're at now? Let's just get right there as if you're there yourself. A little slice of western China for you. And he throws it over there, and then you're going to put it in a big kiln, and it's going to come out toasted like that, and it's going to come over this way. So pretty cool. So a little slice, look at that, that's really cool up there too. This is really, I think you can probably eat up there. There's the restaurants and up there too, and up there. And they'll have live music kind of throughout. So I think they'll have it here, because I heard some bar up here. Okay. Look. That means look in here. I don't know. Can't mean that. It says look. I don't know. I'm not gonna. There's a guy sleeping right there, so I'm gonna leave that alone, even though it says look. I did explore lots of other parts, but I think this is a part of the old ancient city that I like the most. It just has the most stuff going on, but to walk around the old neighborhood, it's called Kashi Ancient City, which is built, I guess how some signs it said 1,000 years ago. I think it's more like 800 years ago or something like that. And then they kind of rebuilt it again a little bit based on the old in 2017. That's what I was reading about. And I'll see some signs that I'll see it'll say like authentic, you know, buildings. Hello, how are you? Pretty cool. Yeah, it's really cool here. I think this one had dancing later in the evening, so they might have that later. So they got a little bar here, and then some people can hang out right here. And then right here they'll have like exotic dance, not exotic, but I mean like Uyghur dancing, where they have the exotic dresses that they're wearing. There's nothing like exotic dancer, it's just like exotic people, culture. Okay. So now we are out on the main streets. Well, I mean, we're still in the ancient city, and it's surrounded by the main streets in the other area. There's a tourist there. Check out the carpet. Okay, so let's go find some action, something that's kind of interesting. So this is interesting as well. But we're going to go find where all the people are at, because I think it's going to be the most interesting, because you can see like Han Chinese tourists, you can also see Uyghur people, and all the kind of stuff that's found throughout. I don't even know where to begin. There's music over there. There's some other stuff going on there. Ice cream, bird cages. I saw some bird cage stuff not too long ago. Then over here they can rent suits. There's some bread over there too. There's actually a lot of stuff. And then you can even see the trees. They'll light up in the evening time. Had some kind of red lighting. So I think those are all the birds right there too. Earlier I saw somebody let out a bird and then they had it on the shoulder. I filmed it as well. It's in another video. I have all the videos at the end. Some ice cream ones. They'll do tricks if somebody buys ice cream. The Uyghur people, actually, there's like a connection with Turkey. Kind of nomadic Turkey connection ethnically and language-wise too, I believe. But then also being in this region, we're close to Afghanistan, Tajikistan. They're like not even 100 miles away. So, and then Pakistan's not too far away either. So you'll see lots of different looks of Uyghur-looking people. It's kind of cool. Let's kind of look up these steps. Those are some steep steps. You can see some of the instruments too right there. I should go up and take a look. Here's some other instruments. This one's even like a two-sided one. There's some people going up right now. Okay, so we're gonna continue on. There's all kinds of interesting stuff everywhere. Let me just kind of walk over this way. I think this is like a little costume place. Got the nice carpet. Yeah, I think you can do like photo sets here. You can even drink tea and coffee. And I think they're trying stuff on right up there. Okay. I think this is part of the region around here. 400 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 70 kilometers. Yeah, the province of Xinjiang is huge. I think it's like almost the size of half of Europe or something like that. Something massive. And I think it's something like 17 million people and something like there's like 11 million Uyghurs in the world. Have to check my statistics. Things keep changing, so I don't know if I have most current stuff. This actually looks like something you'd almost see in Turkey or Iran. Amazing. Some of the cafes are so interesting. Some of the hats too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on strolling around. Showing you, she just ended a performance. Let's see that. I just stopped because I was gonna take out my camera and take a couple shots for the video, because I can zoom in and make it, you know, really nice. With the GoPro you can't zoom in, so I'm kind of have a certain format I can do. This street would be interesting to go down. This is kind of looks like a similar one to that one. We could go down that way or we could go down this way. This actually goes to the mosque. I filmed that twice in 2 different videos. I have maybe 8 or 9 videos now. Oh, she's coming out again. Huh. If she does dancing again, I'm gonna catch her with my other one. I kind of wait for that. Oh, this is like old trial, the old Chinese money. Oh, no, just equity. I'm kind of curious. I think it's all Chinese money. I thought it might be Uyghur money. Let's see. There's a little horse in the shadow. I think they might do more music again up there. Yeah, I think they will. I might go up and film that. All kinds of cool little alleys. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to an ending for this particular video. We'll end it right there.